Welcome to Intuitive Hospitality's Financial Planning and Reporting System, a Microsoft Office-based application which integrates with any accounting system, including Sage 50, Sage 300 or ACPAC, Microsoft Dynamics, and even PeopleSoft. For today's demonstration, we're going to show you how easy it is to create a plan for a large full-service hotel. Typically, this task can require many hours to enter the details for each department and GL account. With the Financial Planning and Reporting System, a base plan can be created in a couple of minutes. To begin, on the main menu, click the Configuration button. On the Configuration menu, click the Planning button. On the Planning menu, there is the option to specify the time frame you would like. For example, this year's forecast, this year budget, or for today's example, next year budget. To assist with preparing the budget, we can also select a baseline, such as this year actual, actual/forecast, forecast, budget, or last year actual. For today, we will base next year's budget on this year's actual. Once a plan is being created, there are options to update only the variables or to lock them. Next, we will confirm the periods to plan for. For this year, we will plan for all months. There is also a feature to export the plan if you would like to import it into another system, which is traditionally not required with a financial planning and reporting solution, as all of the financial information for this system is included in one single application. We will now select Plan to indicate that we would like to automatically create a detailed line-by-line budget. There are also options to lock, reset, or copy the plan. Finally, we will click the Update button and click Yes to confirm that we would like to build the plan. Building the budget will take approximately 2 minutes. During this time, the system will create a dynamic formula for each GL account based upon predetermined drivers, which will calculate the Key Result Indicator, or KRI, for the baseline selected. For example, in a hotel, we will often calculate the cost of housekeeping cleaning supplies per occupied room. Occupied rooms would be the driver, and the KRI would represent the amount of money spent on average for each room occupied. The Financial Planning and Reporting System will multiply the KRI for the baseline times the driver for the period being planned to prepare an initial estimate. Afterwards, the managers will have an opportunity to review each account and can make any necessary adjustments based on their personal experience. The primary objective of the Financial Planning and Reporting System is to provide a detailed starting point which managers can then use to finalize their budget and take responsibility for the decisions they will make, which will impact the overall financial success of the business. We will briefly pause the video while the process is completed. A message will appear once the plan has been prepared. We will click on OK to proceed. We will now complete the budget by entering in specific room information, which is traditionally prepared by either reservations, the revenue manager, or sales department. We will click the Finish button, and once the main menu appears, click Finished. We will now select the Financial Reporting tab at the bottom. And under the Rooms section, we will now expand the Total Rooms section and enter the total rooms available. For today's demonstration, we will base our plan on a 350-room hotel by multiplying the total rooms times the number of days in each month. So we will enter the formula equals 350 rooms times the days in each month, which is located in cell EE9. We will now copy the formula across for all months of the year. We will now arrow down to rooms sold. For this example, we will assume that every month rooms sold will be approximately 70% of the rooms available. So we will enter a formula equals rooms sold, which is in cell EE122, times 0.7 and press enter. We will now copy that across. In reality, these specific details would be provided by another department, and they would include details for each market segmentation with different rooms sold for each month of the year. We will now arrow down further and enter in the room revenue. We will enter a formula which says equals total rooms sold for the month times, in this example, an average rate of $160, and press enter. We will now copy this formula across for all months of the year. I will now page up to the summary page and press 9 on my keyboard to recalculate my plan. And now the initial plan has been prepared. This concludes today's video on Intuitive Hospitality's financial planning reporting system for preparing a plan. Thank you for watching.